Do you need a fun and simple way to motivate your students to read independently or to read at home? Maybe you're just looking for an adorable way to welcome your students to kindergarten. Look no further. Rescue a Reading Buddy is the perfect solution. Look how cute. You can set up an rescue or an adoption station in your classroom, and students can pick their buddies, their reading buddies, to keep at home or at school, however you want to set it up. But your students will love reading to their new pals, and you'll love how motivating they are. Hi, I'm Amy Murray from Teaching Exceptional Kinders, and today I'm here to chat all about setting up a Rescue a Reading Buddy station at your school. So let's take a look. When I taught kindergarten, we had a Meet the Teacher Day. And Meet the Teacher Day had turned into basically back to school night during the day with students. And all these parents wanted our attention, but we had all these kindergartners or incoming kindergartners running around, and we needed something meaningful for them to be working on. So we decided to set up and adopt a Reading Buddy station. And when we set ours up, we did dogs. So our school was Lower Allen, and we had them pick a puppy and they put it in this little carrier, and it was adorable. But I realized that not everybody wants to do dogs. So now we have a Rescue a Reading Buddy with a bear theme that goes with our Camp Kindergarten theme. And I also have a rescue an ocean animal if you'd prefer that. So there's lots of different options, but all of it works about the same way. So you'll set up an area for students to choose their animal, and they will choose whichever animal that they choose. And then they will grab their application. And in their application, they fill out their name. My daughter Nora filled this one out. She is going to be in kindergarten next year, and I can't hardly stand it. But there's her name and her age, and you can fill out their birthday. Mom and dad could do that if they're not sure. They tell you what pet they're adopting. They name their pet. Tell you how old their pet is, and if it's a boy or girl, and then draw a picture. How stinking cute is her little bear. And then they sign their name at the bottom. Then they turn this into you, and they get to take their pet home. Now, you can have little things for them to take it home, and they can just take it home as is. It's totally up to you. You can also have the option of sending home a little rescue certificate with them. Now this is all on the in PowerPoint, so you may put their name right on there. You could leave the pet part blank, like the name of the pet, but you can have the date and your rescue name on there, so that all you have to fill out is the name of the pet, and you can send this home with them. In full transparency, we did not do the certificate. I didn't think it was totally necessary, but it is adorable if you have the time and the capacity for it. So then they fill out their adoption paper, you give them their certificate, and they take their animal home. And that is exactly how it works. Now, there are other ways that you can extend learning here. There are reading logs included if your school uses reading logs. There's 2 options included there, so they can take their buddy along and read, and you can fill that out. There are also some journal options and journal covers included, so you could send them home like at the end of the school year over the summer, and they could write about their adventures with their bear. Or if you have a student with an educational trip, and you need something for them to do while they're gone, you can print out one of those journals and say, take your reading buddy and write about your adventures that way. So there's lots of flexibility and versatility for this. You can use it for Meet the Teacher. You can use it as an end of the year gift. You can set it up in the first week of school. It's totally up to you. One of the things I'm asked most often is, where do you get the animals? And what about these boxes? So let's start with the boxes because that's the simplest. I will drop my Amazon affiliate link to these boxes below. They are called Party Favor boxes, I think. And there's different sizes, but I'll drop the size that we got down below. They were cheapest on Amazon. The bears that you see here came from Oriental Trading. When we did the puppies, they also came from Oriental Trading, and my ocean animals did as well. What you want to search for is bulk plush or bulk stuffed animals when you're searching on Oriental Trading or on Amazon. I found the prices are much better on Oriental Trading, but there may be other options out there. You can ask families, former students, or other teachers, or your friends, your family, for donations of like small beanie babies or small stuffed animals. Those are other free ways to do this project as well. And I think that sums it up. I will leave the link to all of the printables down below. Some of the forms, as you can see back behind me, are totally editable. So the clip art is not, but you can change the names, the wording to meet your classroom or your school. And that way you can make it unique to you. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. You can find me on Instagram at TeachingExceptionalKinders, and you can send me an email to amy@teachingexceptionalkinders.com. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that other kindergarten teachers will find it helpful as well. Thanks so much. Until next time, have an exceptional day.